I'm in a Mclaren F1. No way. There's a helicopter. So this car came over from Brunei, and you can see with these little logos, these are the Prince Jefri logos of Brunei. Very, very beautiful car. Obviously Mclaren F1, these were about 650 horsepower, 240 mile an hour-ish top speed. And this is the only one ever in Ireland. Very small wheels, like these these aren't very big wheels. It's quite a compact car, which is pretty damn cool. Of course you've got storage in the side here. And then yeah, this tint is very interesting. It goes kind of like blue and then very dark down the side. And it's probably got the meanest look out of any Mclaren F1 road car of them all, just because the tints are so heavy. But there's a helicopter again. Wow, look at that. Check out this Irish Mura S as well. This car used to be orange, it's now painted in green, got a Limerick reg. Very, very nice interior, and this of course, the gated manual transmission.
Be careful getting in now.
So, like that. Woo! Oh my goodness. Navigate this. I'm in a Mclaren F1. Yes. Wow. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. Thank you. Wow.